Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I'm going to leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. I'm also going to leave individual links to the materials I get in this box, but remember, there's a lot of things that are just exclusive for the box. You can't rebuy a lot of the stuff in the box, but I will do my best and try and post everything down there below. Alright, so before I open this up, I do want to show you a picture of last month's box because it was amazing. I really love the design. The colors were so pretty. I'll put a picture up now. Alright, so let's dive into this, and again, they put jewelry grade waxed cotton cord on the box, so you can make jewelry with this. Do not throw it away. It's jewelry grade, and I really love that color, by the way. Don't know what that color is, but it's very pretty. Okay, looks like we have another note. We've been getting notes, I think, for 4 months now. And it says, by the way, I think I'm getting sick. I have a sneezing problem, and my nose is burning. Dear Bohem subscribers, in the March BohemStyle box, we'll create bright spring-inspired jewelry, a layered necklace, and a bracelet. Inside you'll find Czech beads shaped like flowers, leaves, rounds, and ovals in warm orange and green tones, along with Picasso beads for you and unique. I saw Picasso, I just lost it. For a unique touch. The centerpiece is a Tree of Life pendant, a symbol of renewal and energy. I've recorded a step-by-step video to guide you through making this delicate set. May your creativity bring you a fresh spring mood with love and inspiration. Natalie, Anna, and Travertine. Okay, and then, oh my gosh. Oh, this is going to be awesome. Okay, I'm going to show you the picture, but I have to hide the password for the video. Right here. It's a little hard to see. It does look like there's going to be orange in it. I'm excited. Orange and also neon yellow are like my hardest colors to work with. I've gotten better at it, but I'm excited to do something with orange, so that looks like it's going to be really nice. Okay, so put that to the side. I'm going to go through the box here. We have bead stringing wire. And then we have, oh, I didn't get my bead scooper thing out. And I really need it because Picasso beads are dirty and they will stain your mats. So never put them on your mats. It'll stain a brown rusty color, like clay. This bag does not want to open. There it goes. Okay, these are, is this seafoam green? I think it's like an aqua blue with, I think it's Travertine. It's probably going to say Picasso on the site, but I say Travertine because it's so much brown and you don't see the turquoisey, purpley green spots that you see on Picasso beads. So the Travertine is mostly brown. It's a rusty looking color. These are transparent. Probably can't tell. Now you can see it. See, it's like an aqua blue inside. It's beautiful. It'll probably be called seafoam green though. I don't know. Anyways. By the way, I created an awesome bracelet. A bead weaving bracelet with last month's box. I designed it. Well, I was ready to film it about a week ago, and then something happened and I wasn't able to film it. And February is now over. We are now in March. But I'm going to try and film it today. Hopefully I can. But I think I'm getting sick. But I need to film it as soon as I can before I get more sick. But I have to film 3 videos today, so I'll see how it goes. Oh, this is cute. So there is a Terra Cast button that has a tree. Looks a lot like this on it. Oh, it's double-sided. That's unusual, huh? This side has like a frame, and this side looks like this. So the button kind of looks like this here. But there's no ground. There's no line there on the bottom. It's really cute. I actually have a Tree of Life ring that's stainless steel that looks like this. It's really cute. And then, oh, we have cord crimp ends. That's for cord. Either round cord. Oh my gosh, what are these? I love these. Look at these. I've only seen this bead in yellow and black, and that is from the Craftica website. I was going to say Czech Beads exclusive. That's what they used to call the website. It used to be called that, but now it's called Craftica. But they're still putting out that box with a name on it. So I forget about that. Wow. So this bead is two-tone. Half of the bead, literally half, is white. I know it looks cream, but it's the coating that's making it. And the other half is clear, crystal clear. And then they put travertine over it, and it makes it look this beautiful age look to it. It's really pretty. There's a lot here. I like this a lot. Anyways, I can't wait to show you that bracelet I'm working on. It's a bead weaving project. I did have an idea to do like a YouTube short of it when I was designing it. I didn't have the clasp on it because it was work in progress. But I had an idea. Maybe I should have showed you what I was working on in case you didn't get last month's box, so you can go and get the box. It's gone now. You can't get the box anymore. But a lot of you are probably going to have the supplies because it's like basic sizes in your stash. So, yeah, you might already have materials to make the bracelet. But what I can also do is just link some sizes in the description bar in case you don't have certain sizes, like 3mm. But I can't wait for you guys to see that bracelet. It's going to be epic. It's a really fun project. And it took me a while to figure out how to make it because, you know, when I get these boxes, I'm limited with beads and I always try to use exactly what I get so you can make the same thing. Anyways, we have some, I think these are 10mm Hawaiian flowers. They're the cut ones, so these ones are more expensive because there's more treatment or work done to them. They're precious. I can't tell. I don't think it's silver. It looks like it's white. It has travertine on the sides. Table cut. But there's also a patina on it. I think it's a white patina. They're very pretty. I wonder if these are new on the site. Probably, because the number is so big. They might not be able to be reordered because I have not seen those on the site. And I search that site all the time when I get this box. There are 2 lobster claw clasps. These are awesome. Are these the same ones I used? No, I used these in gold. I've used these a few times. I've used them in a gold wash to make the mosaic dragonfly earrings, and that was a project I did with this box. It's the sister box to this one. And I also did a pair of earrings with a pendant and maybe one more thing. I don't know. I'll show pictures of what I'm talking about. Okay, so these are Czech cubes. They are 4mm. They are perfectly shaped, smooth, no sharp holes, and they are just awesome for weaving with. I love them, but one thing I wish that they sold these beads like they were seed beads. Like, I wish you could buy a ton of them in bead tubes because they're so awesome for weaving with. They're way better than the they're better than the Miyuki cube beads. Way better. The Miyuki cubes are not very symmetrical. They're like weird shaped and sometimes rough. Okay, so here's our leather cord. It's a pretty color. I actually really like brown. And the more and more I create making jewelry, I feel like there's some colors that are actually neutral to me because I feel like they go with everything. And that is kind of blue. I see blue as a neutral color. It depends on the shade, I guess, though. But I feel like blue goes with just about everything. And I'm also feeling that way about green. And if you think about it, the sky is blue, the ocean is blue, and then we have all this grass and trees and plants and stuff around us. So I feel like those two colors just go with everything. These are flowers. This bead is also table cut. I do have this bead before it's table cut, what it looks like before it's table cut. It's very pretty. They're really beautiful. This is the beige color, by the way. It has, is this Travertine? It might be Picasso. Maybe Travertine. And then it has a wash on it. The wash is metallic, but it's very faint. It's like a light bronzy gold color. Those are beautiful. I'm really liking the color so far. Oh wow! These are so pretty! Look at this. So last month we got this shape in a pinkish purple. It was like a pickled egg colors and a turquoise leaf color. It was really pretty. Wow, these are gorgeous. I would totally buy these. Yeah, if they were a good price though. I am picky about my prices. I don't like paying too much. I like getting deals. Those are really cool. It's kind of making me think of fall though. Okay, and then what? Is there going to be more little beads? We have giant jump rings. Thick gauge. Maybe 16 gauge? It seems pretty thick. And then, oh, I love these. These are kiwi beads. These are also table cut. I have seen these in both the table cut version and before they cut it, what it looks like. And recently we actually got a project with this box that was this color. The bead was this color, the seafoamy green terracotta, not terracotta, Travertine. That's what it's called. Anyways, I'll put a picture up of that. You'll see these beads here, but they're not table cut. Okay, so this is white. I believe they also call this alabaster, and there is travertine on this bead. And see how different this looks on the white bead? It's amazing how these treatments can look so different on these different colored beads. It's amazing. Okay. I have also made a ring with that bead, in case you didn't know. And it's nice because I think the box I had got the bead to make that ring, they only gave me like 2 of them, so I got 2 rings. So if you ever find like small amounts of these, it's a great project because you only need 1. This is oval jump rings. And then we have crimp beads, and those are some of my favorite crimp beads. I love them. I bought a package of them some time ago and I use them a lot. We have extender chain. And holy cow, look at these. These are gorgeous. So this color treatment that's on these beads here is the same color treatment that was on the beads that we got in last month's box. It's a new treatment. I don't know what it's called, but it kind of seems like it's like travertine. It's just a different color, because if you look at these, see how it kind of has this like blotchy, rusty, right? It's like they changed the color to a vibrant color, but it's the same like pattern on the bead. This is spottiness. They are really pretty. I love these a lot. It kind of looks like cayenne pepper, the color to me, but just a little bit more orangier. Okay, I love those. And I notice whenever we get these really fancy beads, like these here, these are extremely fancy, the new stuff, you can't really reorder them. Maybe we would be able to reorder this one. No, it starts with that 9. Yeah, so if you guys like this box, get the box. And again, I will have a picture of what this looks like completely put together. I know there was a picture here on this, but it's kind of hard to see because of the ink, how it did that on the paper. Okay, we have one baggie left. Oh my gosh. These are cute. Okay, this is 3mm white. They also call it alabaster whenever you see it like this. But it has terracotta on it. And those are cute little guys, alright? So I'm not going to worry about opening this because we have got that one there several times. But this is what we got in this month's box. Remember, I'm going to link this box down there below in the description bar. I'm also going to try to put links down there, but it looks like a lot of this stuff you can only get in the box, alright? So this is it. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.